Hey, it's Miss Bashir. Today for social studies, we're going to be talking about goods and services. Goods are things that are made for people to buy and to use. The people who make goods are called producers. The people who buy the goods are called consumers. A service is work or a duty that one person does for someone else. If you send a package to someone else, you have to pay for the delivery service. If you have a cell phone, you have to pay for the cell phone service. Most people who have a computer pay for internet service. People in the U.S. make choices about earning money. We are also free to choose where to live and work. The money workers earn is called income. Income will help families buy things that they need and want, and the money can buy the goods or services. Many people work to help keep people healthy. Doctors, nurses, and paramedics take care of people who are sick or hurt. It takes at least 11 years of college and special training in order to become a doctor. Photographers are creative and talented people who take pictures. Some photographers help us learn about things that are happening in our world, and some photographers help us remember special occasions like weddings and holidays. Just like Mr. Bowie, you always see him going around our school taking pictures to help us remember the fun events throughout the year. Most workers pay taxes. Taxes help pay for our community services, roads, parks, and many other things. The laws of our state and of our country say that taxes must be paid. Good citizens obey this law and they pay their taxes. Librarians choose books for their libraries. They help people pick out the books that they will enjoy reading. Librarians also help people find information about many things. Librarians go to college for at least 4 years. Farmers are producers. They grow food for people to eat. Farmers are also consumers. They need tractors and other machines to plant and harvest crops. Part of a farmer's income is used to purchase these goods. Responsibilities at work. People who work have many responsibilities. They have to come to work every day unless they are sick or they have a day off. They have to be on time every day. It is important for workers to do their best no matter what job they do. Now we're going to be talking about growing and selling produce, which is like the groceries from the grocery store. In the U.S., thousands of people work on farms. Some are growers and others pick produce, which is fruits and vegetables. Truck drivers take the produce to stores. Salespeople, they help the customers to buy the produce for their family. Okay. On your worksheet, you're going to have some different things that you're going to do. One part of it, you're just looking for these words that are over here on the side in the word search. So you're going to find those vocabulary words that we were talking about. And there's going to be one part that is talking about the different jobs that we learned about. And so you're going to draw a line and you're going to match the tool that the person uses. So what would a librarian use? A tractor, camera, a book, medicine, cash register. What would a salesperson? So you're just going to draw the line to the things that it matches with. And then you have a writing assignment. It says write about what you would like to be when you grow up. What goods and services will you purchase whenever you have an income one day? Okay. Hope everyone is doing good. And we are almost finished with school, just a couple more weeks. So keep up the good work. Bye.